What do you do when you want to make cute stickers but you don't have the equipment? Well, if you don't have a color printer or a cutting machine, I'm here to help. Hello, I'm Mim Jenkinson, and I've taught over 15,000 creators and crafters all over the world to make their own beautiful stickers. In this video, I will show you 7 different ways that you can make super cute stickers using supplies that you probably already have at home. You will need regular copy paper, sticky tape, I'm sure you already have that at home, and colored pens or colored pencils, whatever you have to hand. Parchment paper or wax paper or even burger patty paper is also something that's going to be really helpful. You know the backing sheet that you normally have on sticker paper? It's that kind of texture or something that tape won't stick to. And some optional extras to make some of the other stickers I'll show you. You would need white sticker paper, just normal matte white sticker paper. Craft sticker paper is also super fun to use. And then if you have any clear sticker paper, that is also another really awesome optional extra. Okay, let's get started. I know all of us have sticky tape at home, and these stickers are the most simple of them all. We've hand drawn some stickers, we're putting clear sticky tape over the top and then cutting around them. Just make sure that you leave enough of a little border around the outside so there's enough to stick down. Now I'm going to draw a teeny tiny leaf and a teeny tiny 4-leaf clover and turn these into extra sticky tape stickers. So I'm going to cut around these stickers now and then grab some parchment paper or backing sheet again. Now this time I'm laying 1 strip of sticky tape down first of all. Then I'm going to position my teeny tiny stickers on top. And then over the top of that, I'll put another layer of sticky tape, because now when I cut around these stickers, it not only is going to be sticky around the outside edge, but also underneath my stickers too. So it's an extra sticky sticker. Let's make some fun laptop stickers now. So again, I'm going to hand draw a design. It's a super simple speech bubble with the word love. When I cut it out, I'm going to leave a little bit of a border around the outside edge because I do like that white offset effect. And next I have some clear sticker paper. Now if you don't have that, just use packing tape instead. So I've got 2 pieces of clear sticker paper, one for the bottom, then my sticker goes on top of that. And then I'm going to stick the second piece of clear sticker paper on top. So it's all stuck together in one piece. Make sure you smooth out any air bubbles, and then we're going to cut around the outside edge again, leaving a little bit of a border still, but this sticker is going to be sticky around the outside edge and underneath too, so it's perfect for a laptop. And these would be fabulous stickers to make for yourself or even to share with loved ones. But what if you can't draw? Well, as you can see, I'm not the best either. So why not use a stencil? In fact, I really love this stencil from Erin Condren. I'm going to create some really simple planner stickers like headers and teardrops and a little love heart, and then color them in. And then I can cut around them and turn these into stickers really easily too. This time I've got some backing paper, or you can use wax paper or parchment paper, and I'm laying my stickers on top and then using clear packing tape. Or if you've only got sticky tape, you can absolutely use that. So I'm smoothing that over the top, again making sure there are no air bubbles, and then cutting around the outside edge, and I've turned my copy paper into stickers. If you have white sticker paper, this method is perfect for you because we can draw directly onto the white sticker paper, and that saves us the job of making the bottom sticky because it already is. So I'm drawing a couple of leaves and coloring them in. And next I'm going to cut around those leaves, and that is as simple as that for these basic beautiful stickers. We can stick these anywhere. They're going in my reusable sticker book and I love them. You could even get your kids or grandkids to draw on sticker paper and turn their art into stickers this way too. And to take this to the next level, we can design stickers on brown craft sticker paper. I absolutely love the effect of brown craft paper. It's perfect all year round, but I think it's extra special at seasonal events like Christmas. So I'm drawing a reindeer, and it's a basic reindeer. I'm going to color in its red nose, cut around this, leaving a little bit of a border again to make a craft sticker. Isn't this sweet? This would make a perfect gift tag. Now, whether you're making your stickers out of white sticker paper or craft, we can still turn our designs into beautiful glossy stickers too. And I love this effect because that glossy edge makes them look really professional. So I've hand drawn some little flowers, and now I'm adding an overlay of clear sticker paper over the top. As always, just making sure to smooth out any air bubbles. After that, I'm going to cut around each of my stickers and again, just leave a little bit of a border around the outside edge. I love that effect. And then my stickers are complete, and you can use these again as gift tags. They're going into my reusable sticker book right now so that I can pull them out whenever I want to use each of them. We can use this technique to make beautiful glossy hand-drawn planner stickers too, so I'm creating some really bubbly and basic planner sticker shapes that I can add into my planner. I'm hand drawing them with colored pencils and then coloring them in, and after I've finished them, I'm going to then cut around them. This time I'm using packing tape because it doesn't need to be clear sticker paper. So I'll start with that bottom layer of packing tape, arrange my stickers over the top, and then add another layer of packing tape over the top of that. Now I can cut around each of my stickers, and I will leave a little bit of an edge to them too, so that they have a sticky base and a sticky border, but of course that's completely up to you. Just make sure that you are using a pen that can write on top of glossy sticker paper. Have you enjoyed making all of these different kinds of handmade stickers? See, you don't need a printer, you don't need fancy equipment. Obviously some of those things make everything even easier, but I think there's nothing more special in the sticker world than a handmade sticker that you poured your heart into. I've also put these instructions into writing for you, and you can go to mimjenkinson.com/stickerhack to download them right now. Do you have any other ideas of how you can make stickers at home without equipment? Make sure you comment below and let me know.